Summer of '69 is a stadium rock anthem, big, loud, built for arenas and car stereos. We've all sung this through our open windows into the hills, and today we're going to do it some serious justice on acoustic guitar. This summer, if you want to chill around the campfire, I've got you covered for a laid-back strum. And if you fancy something a little bit spicier, we're going to throw in those legendary riffs and picking patterns we all know and love. It's time to rock out. Let's begin. This campfire version is the foundation. Everything else is built on top of this. And stick with me, there's a picking pattern coming up later that will lift this entire song. Chords first, we have 4 friendly favourites. D, A. We're going to throw in the easy B minor, no bar chords. You are welcome to play the bar chords if you wish. And we have a G also. The strumming pattern that's going to set us up for the song, down, down, up, up, down, up. Introducing with the verse, we have a D and A chord. And to give it some real character, we rake an accent on the beat 1, and that brushing across the strings, a little bit more force behind the strum, followed by quieter strums. Really helps to provide the movement here and stop it from sounding flat. Now we've got that sorted, we can play through a few sections in one go. Verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and we're going to build from a quieter through to a slightly louder strum as we go through those sections. I'll instruct when. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got my first real 6 string, bought it at the 5 and I played it till my fingers bled. Once you've got that under your belt, you're good to go for the entire song. Stick around if you want to level up. We've got 3 ways to spice this up now and really build some character and texture. Number 1, the foundation, the foot stomper, palm muting verse rhythm. Eight continuous downstrokes, straight 8th notes, all muted. Feet on the ground, steady, driving pulse. And we get that muted sound, side of the strumming palm, sits right next to the bridge and lightly rests on the strings. So once we've attained that sound, we can start to build in our accents that give it that real push. We play a more pronounced down strum, counting through the numbers so you can hear and feel where they fall. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We're going to play that round twice in a row so you can get a feel for where it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one small change is doing most of the work to make this sound authentic. Very stadium rock. Number 2, the lift. This is where we take the chords from the pre-chorus and pick them, which opens this part of the song wide up. I'll be up leveling this with a B minor bar chord. Your B minor open chord from earlier on is 100% welcome because it still works fantastically. These chords are just picked instead of strummed. Different technique, different texture. It's the same shapes, but a different touch. Here we go. Each of these chords plays the exact same pattern. Down on the A, down on the D, up on the B, up on the G, down on the D. When we move to the A, smooth chord change, same pattern. Down to the D, drop the strings down one, so the picking pattern moves to start on the D. D, G, E, B, G. Then we jump to the G chord. The first note is on the E string. E, D, E, B, G. One time play through. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3, the song Motif. This is the bit everybody air guitars to. It's what you heard at the beginning of the video, and it's what we all want to play. And we're still sitting in the D and A chord shapes. We've just made it sound immensely effective. So we play the D chord, we lift the middle finger so it plays a D sus2 chord, and we play 3 notes for each of these sections. We play the D sus2, E, B, G, then replace the middle finger to the D, then place the pinky to create a D sus4, back to D, then we play open E, B, replace the middle finger, E, B. Playing that through once, slowly. I like to alternate pick this. You may find a way that works better for yourself. I feel like the alternate picking helps the pick move smoothly across the strings. Down, up, 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 down, up. So try that out. When we move to the A chord, we can place these middle 2 fingers down because we start with the open B string. It makes the chord change a little bit smoother. And we play the same picking pattern, but this time we're on the B, G, and D strings. And there we are, we're on an A sus2, A sus4, A. Last 2 notes, open B, G, 2nd fret B, G. Putting these together at a nice steady pace, pick your guitar up, join in, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we have it, the 3 upgrades that make this the signature song that it is. Foundational palm muting, the lift of a picking pattern, and the money riff motif. 3 small changes and it sounds like the record. We've got all the landmarks. Now we're going to look at a map and put it all together, and stick around because we've got a bonus bridge section with a meaty B flat chord. Verse 1, pre-chorus, motif. Verse 2, pre-chorus, motif twice. Then we have the bridge, the motif twice, and the volume drops a little bit. Half a verse, pre-chorus, and the motif to end. Now the play along, we're going to play verse 1, pre-chorus, and chorus. Join in with me if you're ready. If you're not, just kick back and enjoy what you can make this sound like after a bit of practice. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got my first real 6 string, bought it at the 5 and dime. Me and some guys from school had a band in which I Right, the bonus bit now, we've got a cheeky B flat chord. We're going to play power chords for this entire section to give it a bit more edge. There's 3-finger repeatable shapes, so we can get really into that rock drive. What we do is start with the F power chord, or F5, and all we're doing is playing 1st fret E, 3rd fret A, 3rd fret D, and we are only playing the 3 low strings. We've got the same strumming pattern, just be aware, make sure you don't hit any of the other strings not involved in pressing the chord down, because they will sound not very nice. And we play F, jump down to the B flat, every finger moves down. You're gonna have to mute this E string. I do that with the top of my index finger here, but we're aiming with the pick just for those A, D and G strings. Slide up to the 3rd fret, C, back to B flat, playing through the bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Man, we were killing time. We were young and restless. We needed to unwind. Forever. After that, it goes back onto the motif. Now you've got 2 ways to play this awesome song. The foundational version and the up level, taking sections from the song that really give it character. Let me know in the comments which one you're going with. Maybe you'll do 2 different versions for different situations. I do. If you're really into that summer vibe, now you're warmed up, this is a lesson on La Bamba. Go and get your groove on, and I will see you next time.